If you have an old TV at home and the remote control breaks, you may want to buy a new one. You know there is a repair shop downstairs, so you go and ask. The shop owner apologizes and says they only have remote controls for the latest TV models, and they don't sell the one you need because it's too old and they wouldn't be able to sell it. You may wonder why they won't sell it to you. The reason is simple: it's not profitable. The repair shop follows the 80-20 rule, where 20% of the products generate 80% of the profits. Niche products take up space and don't sell well, so it's not economical for them to stock them. However, if you search on Amazon, you may be able to find the remote control you need. This seems to contradict the 80-20 rule, but it's because Amazon has a wider customer base and can afford to stock niche products. For example, you can even find a 100-meter-long ruler on Amazon, which is quite surprising. Many things that are difficult to buy offline can be purchased on the internet. Why? This is because the marginal cost has been greatly reduced. Do you remember what marginal cost means? It refers to the additional cost of producing or selling one more unit of a product. Due to the decrease in marginal cost, an interesting long-tail effect has emerged on the internet. The long-tail effect was first proposed by Chris Anderson, former editor-in-chief of Wired magazine, in his book, The Long-Tail Theory. Concept: Long-Tail Theory. The emergence of the internet has made it possible for companies to meet people's individual needs on a large scale. Whether it is a best-selling product or a niche product, 99% of goods have the opportunity to be sold. Products that were originally niche and located in the long-tail section of the demand curve can therefore become new profit growth points. Case study: Local repair shop versus Amazon. If the remote control of your old TV is broken and you can't buy it at the local repair shop, you can buy it on Universal, Taobao. This is because the sales marginal cost of the repair shop is not zero, so he must display a small amount of best-selling products and seek 80% of profits with 20% of products. However, the marginal cost of displaying a product in a Taobao store is almost zero, so anything can be put on the shelf. For this Taobao store, the number of people in China who buy this niche remote control may not be small when added together. For Taobao, the sales volume of all stores selling niche products in China may be greater than that of some so-called best-selling products. Traditional advertising companies versus Google. In the past, the advertising needs of small and medium-sized advertisers could not be met. Later, Google used a completely automated way to directly reduce the marginal cost of advertising sales to zero, no longer focusing on the head of the dinosaur, but collecting the long tail and automatically publishing ads through keyword matching, thus becoming the world's largest advertising company. Traditional bookstores versus Amazon. In the past, offline bookstores had high display costs, which meant that most books were not displayed and many people never had the chance to know about them. Later, Amazon reduced the marginal cost of sales to zero, allowing many niche books to see the light of day and satisfying the personalized reading needs of many consumers. Scenario 1: Niche markets are big markets. I have a friend who makes office chairs, and now there is a serious problem of homogenization. He asked me what to do. I said, make a niche product for a big market. For example, an excellent employee chair that is particularly high-end, ergonomic, with automatic massage and even gold trim, is enviable at first sight. The company uses this chair to motivate its outstanding employees every month, and it keeps flowing. The internet has reduced the marginal cost of sales to almost zero. If you can make this chair to the extreme, there may be unimaginable market returns. This is also what many people call the explosive product strategy. Precision is the core. Scenario 2: Quickly satisfy personalized needs. The well-known online fashion brand Handu has broken down its organization into more than 280 small teams, constantly capturing long-tailed demands, designing, ordering, and selling quickly. All these accurately captured fast fashion demands, collected together, are big business. Speed is the core. Summary: how to apply it. There are 3 prerequisites for the establishment of the long tail theory. There is no display cost, which reduces the marginal cost to almost zero. Breaking geographical restrictions, small demands can be collected, and personalization can be scaled to meet demand. Small businesses can apply the long tail theory in 2 ways. Use large platforms to create niche explosive products. Use multiple teams to quickly meet personalized needs.